What's up guys? AndersCubes here, and today I got a 7.75 PB single on 3x3. So I'm really happy with this. This is an insane solution. I think this is the luckiest scramble I've ever had in my life. Let's just get right into it. Here's the scramble. And to start, I faced orange, and I noticed that when I put this pair in, like this, that it would create this block, and this would connect like that. And I noticed that when I put this piece in as well, that this would also be made in the back. So that basically is a double X cross because I have two here and two here. So I put both in and do a D, which is a 3-move X cross, double X cross. See? And after that, I have this pair, so rotate like that, put it in, and then I get this free pair in the back, this easy OLL, and a G perm. And yeah, that was 7.75 seconds, done kind of slow actually, 4.7 turns per second. So yeah, but this was an insane solve. A double X cross in 3 moves is literally insane. Yeah, and this was a real scramble, I promise. I got it on CS Timer. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I was so extremely excited about this because it's a sub 8 solve, and yeah, I've been wanting this for a while. So thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me your best times in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.